Welcome back viewers to a rather unusual tech video. Today we dive into the realm of emotions as we discuss the inexplicable connection between binge video errors and our deepest feelings. Have you ever been engrossed in a thrilling TV series or a heartwarming movie only to have your joy shattered by a dreaded video playback error? It is as if the universe conspires to disrupt our emotional journey. Picture this: you are at the climax of an intense season finale, eagerly awaiting resolution, and then it happens. The video freezes, stutters, or simply refuses to play. You are left hanging, suspended in a void of unresolved emotions. In that moment, frustration, anger, and confusion intertwine. It's like a roller coaster of emotion crushing against the rocks of technological glitches. But why do those video errors affect us on such a deep emotional level? Perhaps it's because the stories we immerse ourselves in become an integral part of our lives. We invest our time, energy, and emotions into those narratives. The characters become our friend, their victories and struggles mirroring our own. We laugh with them, cry with them, and learn alongside them. And when a video error interrupts our journey, it feels like losing a connection to a world that has touched our hearts. So, how can we overcome these unexpected emotional obstacles? Firstly, take a deep breath and remember that technology, as marvelous as it is, can sometimes falter. It's okay to feel frustrated, but let's not let it overshadow the joy we found in these stories. Secondly, try the troubleshooting steps we discussed earlier in this video. Clear your cache, update your software, and check your internet connection. These actions may seem mundane, but they can often restore the delicate balance between technology and emotion. Thank you for joining me on this peculiar and emotional tech video. Until next time, happy streaming.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.